Have you ever noticed why some people have lots of energy throughout the day while most of us often feel tired? We barely complete our office hours, so it means no time and energy for any side hustle, no time with friends and family, and no self-care. But why does this happen to us? Unhealthy morning routine. Yes, welcome to this video where we'll break down why having a healthy routine is important and how you can adopt it. A 2022 study published in the journal Frontiers in Psychology found that people who had a regular morning routine reported feeling more energized, less stressed, and more productive throughout the day. Having a healthy morning routine helps our mind to follow discipline and makes us more productive, which can help us do our best in daily activities and lead to a happy life. But what exactly is it? Many times, we wake up feeling groggy, wishing for more sleep, hating to go to work, or an easy escape, scrolling on our phones. Instead, let's explore the right activities to help boost productivity during the day. Here are some of those activities. Number 1, waking up early. This is the most important step. You'll have to wake up early to prepare yourself for the day. Early mornings allow you to experience the beauty of sunrise, enjoy the calmness of nature, and connect with the world around you. We can see many entrepreneurs saying the secret of their success is being a morning person and having a healthy morning routine. Jeff Bezos is a great example of it. He gets up at 5:30 a.m. and starts his day by reading the news and checking his plans. This helps him stay informed and figure out what to do each day. Ariana Huffington also gets up at 5 a.m. and begins her day with exercise and a healthy green smoothie. Many other successful people have a routine like this too. Number 2, avoid using phone. It's reported that about 80% of people who use smartphones look at their phones within 15 minutes of waking up in the morning. When we use the phone in the morning, it results in spending so much time unknowingly. Then we are likely to experience negative emotions, such as envy, jealousy, and sadness. To do this, put your phone away from your bed at night so that you're not tempted to check it first thing in the morning. Set a timer for 10-15 minutes and allow yourself to check social media during that time. Once the timer goes off, put your phone away and start your day. Number 3, drinking water. Drinking water in the morning is vital as during sleep, our body loses water through respiration and perspiration. This dehydration can lead to morning grogginess. Rehydrating kickstarts metabolism by up to 24%, aids digestion, and flushes out toxins. For optimal benefits, consuming 2 to 3 cups of water upon waking is recommended, promoting overall well-being. Writing goals. Morning is when your mind is often at its freshest and most focused. It helps you clarify your priorities, sets a positive tone for the day, and boosts motivation. Studies show that people who write down their goals are more likely to achieve them. Moreover, it enhances self-accountability and provides a clear roadmap for personal and professional growth in the day. You can think about planning the next project or make a to-do for the day, or it could be your monthly or weekly goals to make your day more productive. Reading. Reading a book can boost your productivity. In the morning, our mind is likely to be less cultured, and we can absorb the information effortlessly. So reading a book can enhance cognitive function, sharpen focus, and reduce stress. There are many people like Warren Buffett, Tim Cook, and Oprah Winfrey who read in the morning and highly suggest this to increase productivity. So, it's a proven way. I'll suggest reading for 15 to 30 minutes every morning and thinking about reading self-help books, especially on productivity, like Deep Work, The One Thing, Smarter Faster, Better, and many others. Workout. Working out in the morning is the key to productivity. Research shows that morning workouts boost metabolism by up to 20% for several hours, burn calories more efficiently, and increase energy levels throughout the day. It also promotes better mental focus and mood, thanks to the release of endorphins. Plus, it creates a sense of accomplishment, setting a positive tone for the day ahead. You can consider any physical activity of your choice like yoga, stretches, running, or exercise. 20-30 minutes are enough for productivity, but if you are more focused on your body and fitness, you can extend this. Taking shower. This is actually a game changer. A cold shower in the morning works as a wake-up call. The sudden shock of cold water can help to wake you up and improve your mental alertness. This can make it easier to focus on your work and be more productive throughout the day. But if you are not comfortable with cold water in the morning, a hot shower is also an option with many benefits. You can also add your morning skincare in this step because it's also important for better looks. Breakfast. Productivity needs energy. Productivity, Josh, energy. So how you can be productive by skipping your breakfast? A healthy breakfast is like fuel for your whole day. Skipping breakfast can lead to lower energy levels, reduced productivity, and overeating later in the day. That's why breakfast is called the most important meal of the day. But making the right choices for your breakfast is also very important. Consider consuming less fat shakes, fibers, fruits, and a balanced amount of carbs at the very beginning of the day. Spending time with loved ones. If you have a family, kids or pets, feel blessed and spend some minutes of the morning with them. Spending time with your loved ones can oxytocin in your body, which directly impacts your mood. It can be a very easy and effective way to reduce stress and be more focused on your work and tasks. These are the steps you can follow in the morning before going to your office or starting your work. You can modify them according to your needs. But here is the question: how can you adopt this routine? Well, to start a morning routine, first, be mindful of what are your goals for life. If you want to be more healthy, be more focused on the workout and healthy diet in the morning. If your goal is to earn more money, be more focused on your plans. If your goal is to write a new book this month, let's say, be more focused on being creative in the morning. Secondly, many of you will try to start this, or maybe you have tried multiple times, but you failed and came back to that boring so-called busy life. Be aware that you aren't alone. It happens, but consistency is the key. Instead of skipping it, think about the things that can help you be more consistent and make it easy. For example, sleeping early at night and having quality sleep can help you in waking up early in the morning. So just keep practicing until it becomes your permanent habit. It can take you 21 days, or maybe 2 months, or maybe 6 months, but it's not impossible after all. Feel free to explore and try different things. There's no universal formula morning routine for productivity and happiness, so experiment to find what works best for you. Believe that this can genuinely improve your mood and work life. So start today. Like the video and let me know your favorite morning routine activity in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more self-help stuff.